So, Junkaholics, we're here doing the first quote of the junk removal season. And this client wants this bush, this wood gone, that wood gone, a little bit of concrete, a little bit of garbage, eaves trough, 4x4 over there, some balls, this fishing gear, or tackle box. I wonder what's inside. It's filled with crap. These bricks, this metal stand, this pool, all this lumber. There's not a whole lot here. What's in this toolbox? Nothing in the toolbox. Under this deck's going to be a pain. I'm thinking it's a fairly quick job. I'm thinking maybe just charging the minimum of $150, because there is a little bit of metal, a lot of resale. That wood I could use for the flat deck collar project. But what would you guys charge for a job like this? Put in the comments below. I'd love to hear. And don't forget, we're going to be running that contest for the 197 piece Stanley professional socket set. That's going to be given away May 1st, because it closes April 30th. Available worldwide. So make sure to look in the description for the link to enter. Well, it's time for joke of the day. What do dentists call x-rays? Toothpicks. On the way home from the quote, I decided to stop by this one apartment building I'd like to stop by. And I see there's a microwave and aquarium. I'm not going to take the glass. It's too dirty. And another bed frame. So I think we should load that up. Well, here's another bed frame. Might as well load it up. Well, Junkaholics, I gave him my quote of $150, and he agreed on it. So here we are. We're gonna clean this place up. Well, Junkaholics, we're back home and we're all loaded up. Got all kinds of good stuff. There's a whole bunch of lumber. I can reuse all that in the back of the truck. some Christmas lights, medicine cabinet, some lawn edging, and there's a few other tidbits. If there's anything exciting, I'll update you guys. But yeah, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And that's some not bad junk.